my loves, welcome back to the channel. If this is your very first time, my name is Toni. So let's go ahead and get into the wig unit. And no, I'm not talking about the one on my head. I'm talking about this unit right here. Definitely a different kind of vibe than what I'm normally used to, but I loved being able to switch it up, which is the motto of who? If you've been here, then you already know that that is the motto of Love Me Hair. So thank you so much, Love Me Hair, for sponsoring yet another video. I am super appreciative. So let's go ahead and get into some quick details about the unit before we go ahead and snatch this one off and put the other one on.
So Love Me Hair literally has hundreds of options to choose from. If you go to their main website, www.luvmehair.com, you will see hundreds and hundreds of options to choose from. This particular unit today that we're working with is an 8-inch unit. It's natural black and it does have HD lace, and it is also 100% human hair. I will have a discount code below, RAY25, which will save you 25% off of your purchase. So let's go ahead and see how the wig looks.
All right, you guys, so this is the unit fresh out of the box. It has that natural black color. Here's the inside of the lace. So this is HD lace, which is amazing because if you know, you know, this HD lace is going to blend and melt right into the skin, okay? So as you can see here, it's got that deep C curved part in the inside. And I want you to look at the knots. The knots are already bleached. So you literally can take this unit right out of the box, throw it on your head, fluff it up, and you are good to go. And that is why Love Me Hair is so big on being able to switch it up. Now, watch this, y'all. This is a glueless, oh Lord, the comb is stuck. Hold on now. This is a glueless unit also from Love Me Hair. So if you want to check out this unit, I will make sure I pop that one in the corner as well. So as you can see, we switching it up. We taking one wig off and we are going straight into the next one. So let's go ahead and secure this on the head. I already have a wig cap on. Your box is going to come with a wig cap and a gripper, which is like that clear silicone band. I'm not going to use those. I'm just going to use the cap that I already have. All right, so we've got it secure, and then I'm going to just slide it back and adjust it into place. Gosh, this is short. Oh, this is short. Woo, y'all, we're gonna have to fluff this one out. This is different. All right, Lord be with me because I don't have any moves, but that ain't gonna stop me. Okay, that ain't gonna stop me. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and slap on a wig band anyway, because like I said, I don't want this to like slip and slide all over the place while I'm trying to spray it down and get it the way I want it to be. So I'm just gonna throw a quick little wig band on. Try not to, hold on. We might have to secure this because this is a shorter wig and the hairs are kind of in the back. So I wanna make sure I don't get the hairs tangled. So let's go ahead and snap it first. I know I look crazy right now, but that's okay. Let's fix it. So normally, in order to like really fluff up the curls, I would just use water and mousse. I don't have to use a lot of products outside of that. But we got to do what we got to do. We got to do today because I don't have mousse. So I'm just taking my good old spray water bottle. I'm taking some leave-in liquid spray, and then I'm just using good old faithful Eco Style gel. Now, I do want to point out something else. I normally always wash my wigs, okay? This is a 100% human hair wig. You can wash it. I typically wash mine as soon as I get them. However, because I knew that I had other videos to film, actually one more wig video, one more wig video for Love Me Hair, and I'll make sure I pop that in the corner just so you guys can check that out too. But I am going to just go ahead and slap it on my hair and spray it down, and then I will wash it at a later time. Y'all clearly see I had to take the shirt off because I didn't want to ruin it. Anyway, y'all see the curls? Like, these are some really juicy little curls on this wig, okay? So we might be up to something with this shorter unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of this. But like I said, just taking my water, taking some spray. And then I'm actually going to wait and do the Eco Style gel last, only because I don't want it saturated all throughout the wig. I just want to focus that really on the ends of the hair. But I'm going to speed through this with the water and conditioner, and then we'll come right back. taking some of the little pieces that aren't curling up as much and just trimming them. That way they can get the best curl on the ends of the hair for when it fluffs up and dries out. Now, since I have the water and the leave-in conditioner spray, I can go ahead and go in with my Eco Gel. Like I said, I'm just gonna take this and really scrunch the ends. I'm not fingering it all the way through the hair. I just really want to focus this on the ends and scrunch it up really good. That way those curls can clump up. I think they're gonna clump up nicely. Can y'all see the vision yet? I think I can see the vision on the wig. I'm gonna be honest, when I took it out the pack, I was like, it's a little short and it's not my normal go-to, but I think I can see the vision now that I have it on my head. I think I want to do a behind the ear look. I think that'll give me a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is exactly how my hair looked when I cut it. That is crazy. When I first cut my hair and I went natural, oh my gosh, what, 8 years ago? Almost 8 years ago? Hold on, I got one more piece I gotta trim. Almost 8 years ago, when my hair was growing out, I would wear my hair like this all the time. So this is giving natural girl. This is what this is giving. Let me go ahead and put my shirt back on because it's not working out in this robe. No spray, no adhesive, no nothing. This is a glueless wig, okay? And all you have to do, just go ahead, push the lace back down, go ahead and readjust yourself. And that's it. You can be out the door in less than 2 minutes. So that was today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this 8-inch little natural girl vibe. I will make sure that I link this wig in the description box below along with my coupon code. Make sure that you use that to save some money, okay? If you've been here before, then baby, you already know what's coming. But if not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos are going up on my channel. All right, until next time, love.